Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to export a contact from our phone book on Huawei P60 Pro phone to our SIM card. To export our contact, we have to go to our phone book. So, phone, then contacts at the bottom here. And for example, let's say we want to our agent 47 to go to our SIM card from our phone. So 4 dots here, settings, and import export, then export to SIM card. And we will choose our agent here, export, yes, continue, and our agent is now on our SIM card, as we can see here. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.